everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go over how to change colors when crocheting. So let's get right into it. For this, I will be using a pair of scissors as well as a 3.5mm hook. But for your project, you can use whatever size hook is recommended for your yarn or what you would like to use. So we are going to start off with a slip knot. And I will be chaining a row of 25. Just so I will be able to show you how to change multiple colors and what it would look like when it is time to change. So I will meet you back when I am done with my chain of 25. So here we are done with the chain, and we will turn and single crochet back down that chain. So I will be doing 25 single crochets, but you will be doing however many single crochets, half double crochets, double crochet is required for your project that you're working on. And I will meet you back when I am done with this row. So now that we are done with the first row, I will be chaining up one and turning my work. I'm going to be single crocheting until I decide to change colors. Okay, so here we are. I started a single crochet, but I didn't finish. I'm moving my working yarn behind my work so that the new color does not get tangled up. So to add the single color, we will just be finishing off the single crochet with that new color, moving the end of the yarn behind the work, and feeding it through. And again, I will be single crocheting until I decide that I want to switch colors. All right, so here we are. We're going to do it again, but now we are going to use a white color yarn. So we are going to add the new color and complete the single crochet with the old color. And then feeding in that yarn to alleviate more ends to weave in later on in your project. So we're just gonna single crochet all the way down. Chain up one and turn. So now that we added the new colors, this next row is going to show you how to continue with the colors that are already there on the row. Okay, so you see here, I start off with the single crochet, and since the yarn was behind the work on the last row, we will bring it to the front of the work on this row. And then we bring up the new yarn and finish off that single crochet. And continue down for as long as I need to be using this new color. Again, we start off with the single crochet, we don't finish, and then move it to the front of the work. Bring up the new color and finish off the single crochet. And here we're going to finish off the row with the black. Chain one and turn our work. So this is what we have so far, and that is what the back of the work looks like. So on this row, I will be showing you how to continue the color past the old color that you had. You're just gonna weave the color through, move the yarn behind your work. We're done with the light blue, so we're going to bring over your white. Start a single crochet, don't finish, and then bring the white over. And continue to crochet over the string of white to hide that within your project. And then we're gonna finish the row off with white, and I'll meet you back when we're done. So there we have it. That's what that row looks like. Chain one and turn the work. And that is it. Now I'm just cutting off the excess yarn so you can see what we did. This would be the right side of your work, and the wrong side of your work has all the extra yarn. But that's it. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel.